Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. So after a long time again I'm talking about XRP Ripple coin. What's the price changes occur in the XRP guys. In this video we discuss these all things guys, but before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos guys. You can see guys, if first of all congratulations to all XRP holders, because you can see here that in the latest situation in the last hour the XRP price change is going positive 0.35% changes occur in XRP is positive. Other side the last 1 day changes is about negative 1.13% guys. So very congratulations, because XRP start pumping. And other side, if you look the latest situation, the latest price of XRP, so 1.13 USD dollar, that is the current price of XRP Ripple coin. And guys, if you study the price chart, so you can see here that the last 15 days, last 13 days changes is also positive guys. XRP is in the huge pump. The change is about 4.85%. and highest price is about 1.22 USD dollar. That is the highest price. So on the basis of these update currently situation, I recommend for all of you hold, never decide to sell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.